Look at this. A chess lesson short video.
Pawn to e4. Bishop c4.
This one is a kid's bedtime story.
Today, Pip is chasing a butterfly.
And this is a Vox-style documentary about coffee.
Rulers panicked. Mecha bandit.
People spend months picking a tool and never make anything.
They picture one of two things. Either those weird AI clips with melting hands, or a lazy slideshow with robotic voice, just to farm views. But what I noticed is that everyone is fighting over the wrong thing.
He is right that the tool is now the easy part. 10 years ago, you needed a camera, a studio, and real editing skills. Today, the hard part is deciding what you actually want to teach people. That decision is free and you can make it tonight after work.
They are fighting over the tool, and the tool became now the easiest part, as you will see in this video. Creating a video like this one is so easy now. Even a 7-year-old kid could describe it and Claude can build it in minutes.
But can one setup really make videos that look completely different from each other?
The kid's story.
Far and farther, deep into the trees.
Completely different feeling. Soft, warm, illustrated. The art is AI generated and the same engine animates it and reads it out loud.
A kid's story and a coffee documentary have nothing in common. Different colors, different speed, different feeling. Normally you would need 2 different skill sets for these. He is showing both without touching a camera once.
And video 3, coffee.
It conquered the world, legend says an Ethiopian goat herd.
This one looks like a mini Vox-style documentary. Paper cutouts, a real map, a camera flying across it.
So how many styles are actually sitting inside this one project?
These aren't 3 different tools. It's one. Same project, same setup, 3 completely different styles. And there are 12 more already in this project. Math, security explainer, physics, music theory, and much more.
Most people quit because they run out of ideas after 4 videos. Having ready styles for math, physics, and music theory removes that problem. And this format is not new or risky. Big education channels have been growing with it for years.
And here's the thing about this style. It's not gimmick. It's some of the most valuable content on YouTube. You know 3 Blue 1 Brown channel? Millions of people learn math from his animations.
But how does a computer actually draw all of this?
Take the coffee Vox-style documentary I showed you. On screen, it looks like one video, but it's not. Watch this. It is layers, stacked on top of each other.
I always thought AI made the full video in one shot. It does not. It builds small pieces and stacks them, one on top of another. That is why the result looks clean instead of melted and strange.
The paper background is one layer. The map is another. The little cup, the route line, the labels, and then a camera moves across all of them. It's like Photoshop, but the layers move.
So who is putting all those pieces in the right place?
Think of Claude as a director. You describe the video you want. Claude plans it out, the scenes, the timing. It writes the code for the animation. It adds the voice and the captions. It even designs sound effects. And it follows a style guide, so everything stays on brand.
A director does not hold the camera. He decides what happens and when. That is exactly the job here. And it means you stay in control. One small note he skips. The software is free to install, but you still need a paid plan to run it.
Okay, so it's really powerful, but is it actually easy to start? Let me show you how fast you can create your first video with Claude. So you need 2 things installed. VS Code and Claude Code.
So what does the first day actually look like?
There's a file called .env and you paste in your keys for the voice and the images. Number 4, open Claude Code and tell it what you want.
Most people are scared of AI because they feel they will lose control. Here you see the hook, the scenes, and the timing before anything is made. If you do not like it, you fix it right there. Nothing is wasted and nothing surprises you.
Let's say you want a short video about the water cycle for kids. You just type it, and while Claude is planning, this is the part I want you to see.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
It doesn't just run randomly. It writes out the whole plan first, the hook, the scenes, the timing. You read it, you fix what you don't like.
But there is one thing he says you should not let AI do for you.
But if you are serious, use your own voice, even if it's not perfect like me. And yes, many mock my accent in the comments. But here I am, I didn't stop.
He is telling people to use their own voice, accent, and all. Many of us learned English later in life, and we hide because of that. But an accent is not a weakness. It is proof you speak more than one language, and your face never has to be on screen for this to work.
I have been on YouTube for more than 10 years now. And yes, some comments may hurt me, I'm a human. But that same voice and that same mocking helped me grow on YouTube and reach 1 million subscribers. Your voice is how people start to know you, to trust you, to recognize you.
The tool got easier, but the person behind it still matters most. Now, everything I just showed you works, but it's honestly only one piece of the puzzle. If you want to see how the whole system fits together, step by step, I put together a free training that walks you through the entire thing. No fluff, no weird sales pitch, just the full process. The same way I'd explain it if we were sitting across the table. It's the first link in the description. If this video was helpful, that training will probably be 10 times more helpful. And if you're not there yet, no problem. Just keep watching, keep learning, and it'll be there when you're ready. All right. See you in the next one.